Hello students, welcome you all on YourPedia Education. So my dear students, as you know, right now we have only 20 days for the mains exam of CGPDTM. So my dear students, this side Mukesh sir from the Computer Science Department, and in this video we are going to discuss what strategy we have to follow for the next 20 days so that we just qualify this paper with a good score. So my dear students, as you know, in CGPTM mains exam we have two papers. One is technical and one is related to the pre-syllabus, advanced in pre-syllabus, fine, which includes IPR, logical reasoning, English and all those papers. That is of 100 marks, but the main weightage in the mains is of the technical paper that consists with 300 marks. So my dear students, now we have 20 days and we have almost 12 subjects. So how to start your preparation or how to utilize the time for the next 20 days we are going to discuss in this video. So my dear students, as you know, if we go with the PYQs of the papers, you can see here that most of the questions are numerical in nature, related to the time complexity, again computer network, simple problem. Then here we have some theoretical type questions, advantage, disadvantage. Again we need to construct the min heap. Then again related to a theory part of inheritance. Again TOC part, that is construction of find the language, we have to find out the language, numerical question. Again computer network numerical questions. Again this is a numerical problem. Again this is a numerical type problem. Again we have to construct the BST. So you can say my dear, again numerical type questions, recurrence relations. In section D we have almost theory type problems. So the point is how you can utilize the time for the next 20 days and what type of problems you need to write or you need to practice. See my dear students, if I talk about the major or the high weightage subjects, first of all try to go with the high weightage subjects like algorithm, subject like computer network, operating system, DBMS, TOC or digital. So these are 6 or 7 the most important subjects. Try to cover these subjects first. Now sir, if I just talk about the algorithm, so what type of problems you have to solve or you have to practice you have to write the answer in descriptive manner, even though they are numerical in nature, but still you have to practice, you have to write all those solutions step by step. Moving ahead my dear students, the point is in algorithm what type of problems you have to prepare, like how to construct the heap, how to construct the BST, how to construct the AVL tree, what is the basic difference between greedy and dynamic, what is how to solve MCM, how to find out the time complexity, related to database management system, what is database management system, what is the advantage of DBMS over file system, what is conflict serializability, how to find out the conflict serializability, then problems related to indexing, numerical problem question related to indexing, what is the basic difference between primary, secondary and cluster index. Then moving ahead, related to computer network, what is the difference between TCP and UDP, questions related to finding the bandwidth utilization or the efficiency. So these are some of the important related to OS. You have to go with the CPU scheduling problems. You have to know what is linking and loader, what is the main concept of synchronization, like what is the concept of first come first serve or SJF or round robin, when to use which type of applications. Fine my dear students. So these type of problems you have to solve. The point is you have to be focused on the main major area of each subjects. Like in algorithm, the major area is related to divide and conquer, related to dynamic programming, related to greedy. But out of those, if I talk about the greedy has vast applications, but still we need to solve the questions related to Prims, Kruskal, Discastra or Half-Man coding. These are the 4 main topics of greedy algorithm. So my dear students, my simple suggestion to you is just try to start writing the numerical questions from each and every topic. Each and every means the most important topic of each and every subjects. Try to write, try to solve, try to like follow the procedure, that is step by step. Try to start your answer writing by what the given is, what to find out. You have to end the solution with making a conclusion. You have to underline, you have to use bullet points. So my dear students, the simple strategy for the next 20 days is divide the slots, divide the times, so that at least within the next 10 to 12 days you need to finish almost 7 to 8 subjects which are very important. And now in these subjects, at least you have to write 10 problems of each subjects. Fine, my dear students, we have 20 days. Try to solve almost 80 to 90 problems in these 20 days. Yes, it will take time, but the point is hardly it will take time for the first 3 or 4 days. Once you are habitual with that timing, because the time management is the important part. We have a lot of questions in the mains exam. You need to know that this question, this particular question is of that much weightage, so you have to write the answer in that way only. Suppose that there is a problem which consists with only 8 marks, so you don't have to write, even though that is theoretical in nature, but you need not to write the answers like it will take 20 minutes. No, you have to complete that question within 8 to 10 minutes only. So the point is time management skill you have to learn, and that the only way is you have to practice, practice and practice. So my dear students, you know that YourPedia already launched their module. It's a dedicated platform which provides you the complete detailed course or dedicated course for CGPDTM mains exam, and a lot of students already start their practicing. So my dear students, if you join now, again 20 days is more than sufficient, but the point is you have to put effort, you have to put a lot of effort, you have to be dedicated, you have to be consistent, then only you can qualify this paper. So YourPedia, if you want to know the important problems or important questions, that is already available on YourPedia panel. You have to just raise your queries, our executive will call you and you can access all those questions. So my dear students, the point is simple strategy, you have to practice, practice and practice. You have to practice almost 60 to 80 problems in these 20 days and try to cover the most important subjects, as I already earlier mentioned: algorithm, data structure, operating system, DBMS, TOC, digital and CN. These are the most important subjects. Try to first cover or finish these subjects, my dear students. And if you want to join YourPedia writing module, yes, you can join, where we are providing you some important, the most important problems. You have to write your answers, you have to cross check these answers, you have to interact with the faculties for each and individual answers. Whatever the feedback is, faculties will provide you the feedbacks and you have to improve in such a way. So my dear students, again good luck for you the mains exam, and if you want to join the CGPDTM course or writing skill course from YourPedia, welcome you. Thank you so much.